Now we can learn how to manage rates. As we have seen how to manage inventory, same we can manage the rates. Now from dashboard page, click on manage rate. Once you land up to this page, you can see here the default room, deluxe room is selected. You can change according to your needs by selecting particular rooms. So this tab is for updating inventory. In the previous video, we have explained how to update inventory. From this page, we can even update inventory also, and we can update rates also. Here you can see all the OTAs are arranged on one page for your convenience. Here you can see we have managed some rates before, like 4,500 for single rate, for double rate. It's like single occupancy, it's double occupancy, it's for extra adult and it's for extra child. So if you want to change for, let's see, a particular room is having this rate and we want to update some rates as per our needs, so you can just click on the box and press the backspace key. So this box will open. Now here you can update as per your needs. Suppose we want to change one room rate from the date, let's say it's 23 and also a 23. So for this, if you want to change it, your rates for all the OTAs, click on the all. So it will automatically update for all the OTAs. Here you can put the rates whatever you want. Suppose if you want to change it to 4550, you can put it throughout all the boxes. But suppose if you want to change it for other rooms too, you can change it accordingly. So these are our rates if you want to put for a particular date. So here you can see update rate button. So click on it. In the same box, once you click to this update rate button, you can see on the upside of this box, it will show a success message, so that we can see like rates are updated. If it is not updated, it will show a failure message and you have to update it again. After updating rates, you can close button. Then you can see, look at this date which we have updated rates for, that is 23rd of May. You can see like 4560 as we are updated in the last box, it is updated over here. So it makes easier to change the rates according to your plans, or to increase your revenue, you can change accordingly.